What is going on, guys, and welcome to HTML tutorial. In this video we're gonna keep covering HTML forms, and more specifically we're gonna cover drop down list box. And again, while the rest of the HTML forms exactly the same, they were actually within the form element, so the same would be they with a drop down list box. So we go within our form element over here, and I'm gonna create a paragraph which would say what let's say what device do you listen your music on, right? What device over here do you listen to music on? So over here, next thing I would want to do is I would want to create a select element, and it would have the attribute name, and the name obviously would be the same for all my drop down list box over here. So I would create a name, and I'm just going to say that this is going to be equal to devices over here. So I'm going to close it out, and now all the options are going to be within my select element, and you can see that this is my drop down list box. So I'm just going to start with the first one and the option, and this is going to be my element that I would need to create. I would need to create a option element, and I would have to set the value over here, and the value is going to be obviously again connected to what option I'm going to give. So let's say in this case I'm just going to create iPod, and you can see that right now my first on my list box is actually iPod. Now I'm just going to copy this 2 more times, and let's say that I'm going to say that this is going to be equal to radio, and you can see how it is very similar to how we were working with checkboxes and radio boxes. So again, the value is radio, and I'm going to give it radio. So now when I open it up, you can see that I have radio and iPod. So the last thing as I would need to do is I would actually need to change this one over here, and I'm going to say that it's computer, and over here I'm going to write also computer. So now I have 3 of them. I have iPod, I have radio, and I have a computer over here. And again, I can check, and once I check one of them, it's pretty much works the same as with the radio button, that you can select only one of them. This is going to be it for this video, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.